Presenting Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i Thin and Light Laptop. It features Windows 10 Home Operating System and weighs 1.66 kilograms. The laptop comes in two style variants of laptop with a 2GB NVIDIA MX450 graphics and laptop with an integrated Iris Xe graphics. The laptop is powered by 11th generation Intel Tiger Lake Core i5-1135 G7 processor with 2.4 GHz base speed, 4.2 GHz maximum speed, 8 MB cache and 4 cores. It also features Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. The 8GB DDR4 RAM and NVIDIA GeForce MX450 2GB GDDR6 graphics card ensures a smooth performance. The 256GB SSD makes sure that you can store all your movies, picture and music. This Lenovo laptop has 57 Wh lithium polymer battery with up to 8 hours battery life. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with 1920 x 1080 pixels resolution and IPS gives a true-to-life experience. The laptop comes with 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy connectivity.